Sarap siya. Wait, falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world. Oh no, breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what love could. We can really never tell it all. No, no, no. Say goodbye, say hello to a lover, a friend. Sometimes we never could understand, but I think could be again.
Tinapos ako eh. Tinapos ako eh kasi ito na lang. Pinunta ko na ba yung tubig?
I don't know why you said goodbye. Just let me know you didn't go forever, my love. Please tell me why you make me cry. I beg you, please, I'm on my knees if that's you want me to. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Just one more chance, another dance, and let me feel it isn't real that I've been losing you. The sun will rise within your eyes. Come back to me and we will be happy together. Never knew that it would go so far. When you left me on that boulevard, come again, you would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. Maybe today I'll make you stay a little while, just for a smile and love together. For I will show a place I know in Tokyo where we could be happy forever. Never knew that it would go so far. When left me on that boulevard. Come again, it would release my pain, and we could be lovers again. 'Cause I never knew that it would go so far when you left me on that boulevard. Come again, would release my pain, and we could be lovers again.
Saka ba?
Hindi alam kung saan kami dadalhin ni Super Bowl. Pero ang dami namin nakikilala kamangha-manghang tao. Marami.
Pati yung super book.